Welcome at the Majestic. Today I will show you the two-bedroom apartment at the Majestic. You immediately enter the hallway with these two doors that leads to the two parts of this apartment. So we will first enter this door. You enter the first bedroom with a king-size bed and of course with the air conditioning that's available in every room at this apartment. Here you have a TV and a small space for you to do some stuff on your laptop. You have a mirror on this side, and then you enter the kitchen. You have your own refrigerator, cooking plate, sink, and a small nice table to have dinner. Then you have some space for your clothes, and then this is the bathroom. Here is the toilet. And then on the other side, you have a nice rain shower, and of course the sink with also a mirror on this side. Then, if you walk through the hall, through the other door, you will enter the other part of the apartment. I will first show you the kitchen. So this kitchen has basically everything you need to cook a nice meal. You have a fridge, a cooking plate, microwave, toaster, sink, and what's also great of this apartment is that you have a washing machine, so you can do your own laundry. Then here is the dining table, where you can have a nice dinner. Then you enter the living room. It's a very big living room, as you can see. And what's also a really big advantage of this apartment is the Wi-Fi. You have Wi-Fi throughout the whole apartment. And of course there is a nice TV which you can use at night. But here there's another space that you can use to do some stuff on your laptop because you have Wi-Fi, of course, and some other area where you can just chill. Then we go to the other bedroom. So when you go to the other bedroom, you have the bathroom first of the second bedroom with, of course, again a sink, a nice rain shower, and of course a toilet. And here is some space for your clothes as well. And then to the second bedroom. Again with a nice king-size bed. You have enough space for your clothes and a nice couch to just chill on and relax. And of course this bedroom as well as the other bedroom comes with an air conditioning as well. So this was the two-bedroom apartment at the Majestic, and now we will show you some facilities around the Majestic.